how to use Calendly, Chrome and Firefox extension. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Calendly extension for Chrome and Firefox to easily schedule meetings and appointments. I'll be using the Brave browser, but don't worry, it's the same process for Chrome and Firefox, so let's get started. First, head over to the Chrome web store or Firefox add-on and search for Calendly extension. Click Add to Chrome or Add to Firefox, and for myself I will click Add to Brave and then confirm the installation. Once it's installed, you'll see the Calendly icon appear in your toolbar, so click on the icon in your browser and log in with your Calendly account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free. So once logged in, you'll be able to access all your scheduling links directly from the extension. To schedule a meeting, click on the extension icon again and you'll see your event types listed here. Select the event you want to share and Calendly will generate a scheduling link. You can copy this link and share it via email, chat, or any platform you're using. It's that simple. And that's how you use Calendly extension to streamline your scheduling process. Whether you're using Brave, Chrome or Firefox, this setup is the same. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you in the next video.